Hi guys, my name is Dikshita and welcome to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. So the festive season is here, and in today's video, I'll show you some outfits which are really good for Navratri, Dashera, Durga Puja, and basically all the festivities. And all of these outfits are super practical, comfortable, yet very beautiful, like proper beautiful Indian wear hairspur. And also I've shown a complimentary makeup look that can go well with all these outfits. So I filmed the entire process of me doing my makeup today, and मैं आपको makeup दिखाऊंगी मैंने कैसे किया, and then I'll show you all the outfits. So I hope you like this video, and without wasting more of your time, let's just get started. So first let's do our makeup and then we'll move on to the outfits. Now for my makeup look, I've actually not decided on what kind of makeup I want to go for today. So I think I'll just wing it as we go through this video. So I've decided to do something like special for my channel on November. I won't give out the details right now. I think we'll have to wait for maybe my next video just when I'll properly announce it. But I just wanted to tell you कि कुछ special I'm planning for my channel. Also my channel will complete 2 years on 7th November. Then Diwali आ रहा है, so there's gonna be something there. So stay tuned for that. I am super excited about it. I hope you will be too. When I announce it क्योंकि अभी तक वो कुछ पता नहीं है. But yes, there is something that I'm planning for the channel. A treat for you guys for November. Now after doing this, I think I'll move on with concealer since foundation तो मैं use कर नहीं रही. I like to apply it on the inner corners and outer corners only now, like my concealer. And this is such a great technique actually. So बस थोड़ा सा ऐसे inner corner पे outer corner पे apply कर लो and blend it with any brush. Now if you want to know which concealer I've used the Fit Me one. I was thinking कि Swiss Beauty करूँ, but then I think Fit Me one is my favorite, and it's something that I always fall back to जब मुझे समझ नहीं आता what kind of product I use. So this is a great concealer. I am in the shade light 10 light, and the primer I used was from Wet n Wild. उसका dewy Luminex Tokyo primer. And I'll put on all the product details in the description bar as well, ताकि अगर मैं कोई product भूल जाऊँ तो you can check out the description bar. And now I'll blend it, and मैं थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे अपनी acne marks है यहाँ पे थोड़े थोड़े spots उस पर लगाऊंगी, and then we'll move on to the second step. So now next I'll use this loose powder from Maybelline, the Fit Me loose powder, and again I'm in the shade light on this, and I'll use it to set my under eye especially. So I'll just take it in a fluffy brush and I'll as a pat it all over my under eye to set it properly. Don't rub it a lot because you don't want your base product to slip off, या फिर क्योंकि वो काफ़ी क्रीमी कंसिस्टेंसी के होते हैं, तो दे माइट थोड़ा सा ना वो अच्छे से सेट ना हो, एंड दे माइट क्रीज एंड दे माइट स्लिप ऑफ इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ पुटिंग ऑन पाउडर एंड अदर प्रोडक्ट्स. तो ऐसे रखो एंड देन जस्ट tap it on certain areas where you applied. I'll just put it here also थोड़ा सा because यहाँ पे थोड़ा concealer apply हुआ है. And definitely around your laugh lines भी काफ़ी जल्दी crease होने लग जाती है. Also, I do want to say that I'm not a beauty guru, so please don't come at me if I'm doing any step wrong. I've just learned makeup through videos and by practice basically. So I'm just telling you what I like to do, how I like to do. Obviously, proper techniques के लिए there are amazing creators, there's Shreya Jain and so many more जो कि the proper technique के साथ आपको सिखा सकते हैं. Now the next powder product is a bronzer. I love using bronzer. इसे sculpt कर देता है आपके face को, यानी double chin को भी छुपाने में help मिल जाती है. So I'm using this one from Sugar. I talked about it I think in my 5 makeup products every girl should know or something like that. So I'll link it here. आप देख सकते हो, मैंने ये bronzer काफ़ी बार दिखाया चैनल पे. I love using this. So I'll just take some of it in an angled brush and I'll ऐसे थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे I'll apply it थोड़ा सा jawline पे because I need to hide this double chin of a disaster, and थोड़ा सा nose पे if I feel like it. Now the key to bronzer is to blend it really well because अगर bronzer blended ना हो, well blended है, फिर उसकी harsh lines दिखती हैं and it doesn't look that cute. Also when you're blending it, make sure कि अपने bronzer को पूरे से upwards you take it up to your hairline So it's very seamless and ऐसा लगेगा कि आपने यहीं पे से कुछ product start किया है. So make sure you take it well and blend it to your hairline as well. Then I'll take a small rounder brush and I'll use इसमें थोड़ा सा product लेके I'll just contour my nose with it very lightly. Like I don't do heavy contouring या bronzing on my nose. तो बस थोड़ा सा लेके I'll do it and I'll take it inwards थोड़ा सा under my brow bone like starting में again to make it more seamless. So now for my blush, I'm not in a very blushy mood today. I think I want to go very light with my blush. I'm liking more of this bronzed look, so I'll take very little blush from this V Face blush contour palette by Maybelline. So I'll just take very lightly of it, वही contour वाले brush में, and then apply it here, like not on my apples of my cheek, more like towards the cheekbones part, for very little color. So I think I'm done with the base product. काफी सही लग रहा है. And now for highlighter today, I'll be using this Wet n Wild का Mega Glow highlighting powder, and this one is in the shade Precious Petals. And I'll use again another sort of fluffier brush like this or like this to apply it. So I'll just take some of it in a brush and apply it on this यहाँ पे अपने cheekbones वाले part में, and then I'll bring it in so that it's visible as a front से भी. I'll also apply it little bit here, like over my brow bone and obviously the tip of my nose. And we are done with our brows, and now let's move on to the eyes. I want to do something to the eyes today, something simple but कुछ तो मन है करने का. So I think I'll just take any pink or sort of mauve kind of shade. I'll put it on the lid, maybe from either this palette or this palette. This from Wet n Wild, it's their Rose in the Air palette. This is amazing, and if you're a beginner in makeup, definitely अगर एक palette आपको चाहिए, you can get this one or this Swiss Beauty one, जो कि मैंने अपनी पिछली वीडियो में दिखाई है, the haul video that I did. So I think I'll use this shade from this palette, like the Swiss Beauty one. So I'll just take a fluffy brush and apply it all over my lid, and especially in the crease part अच्छे से. And then I'll use maybe the Swiss Beauty liquid shadow. This one is amazing. This is such a good product. मैंने इसको भी आपको पिछली वीडियो में दिखाया हुआ है, इसके बारे में भी काफ़ी बात की है. So to see both of these products, check out my last video. And now let's move on to the eyes. So I'll take थोड़ा सा and I'll apply it on the crease part first, and I'll blend it properly. Now I'll take the clean side of the brush and I'll थोड़ा सा blend it upwards ताकि उसका again stark सी line ना बने रहे. So cleaner part से if I blend it तो product ज़्यादा spread नहीं होगा and बहुत अच्छे से blend भी हो जाएगा. And I think I'll use just one shadow, like इसके ऊपर से I'll use that glitter वाला eyeshadow. It's amazing. So now taking again the same brush and just the थोड़ा सा leftover product है उसको I'll apply on the lower waterline as well, like very lightly because we want it to be cohesive. I'll take the Swiss Beauty का liquid shadow, and this one is in the shade I think Rose Gold. Yes, 5 Rose Gold Retro. So I'll take it, and this is the main thing that will just make your eyes pop. So I'll just apply it ऐसे थोड़ा सा, and I'll take my finger and blend it again properly. Now the final step that I'll do for my eyes is like the eyeshadow part is I'll take a brown kajal. I'll apply it here on the lower lash line and the upper lash line. So I'll take this round tip wala छोटा सा brush and I'll smudge it for a more smoky look. This will complete our eye makeup and make it look, काफी ऐसे बहुत अच्छा smoky सा look आ जाता है. So I always do this step whenever I'm applying any kind of eyeshadow. So yes, this is the final eye look with my subpar makeup skills. And now the final step is mascara. Definitely I can't skip it. Mascara तो काफी अच्छा सा बना देता है eye look को. So what are your plans for festive season? Like do tell me in the comment section. I would love to know, since festive season तो आ ही गया है almost, and then pandemic भी चल ही रहा है. So how are you planning to celebrate and what are your plans? And now the last step to finish off this eye makeup is to take a little bit of any highlighter. And ऐसे एक मैं बहुत पतला सा ब्रश लेती हूँ and I apply it on the inner corners, like that is so important. that will just brighten up your face and काफी अच्छा सा look आता है and the makeup looks complete. If I don't do this step तो मुझे ऐसा makeup complete सा नहीं लगता अपना. So yes, this is the final step. Then I'll put on the lipstick and we'll be done. Now I think for my lipstick I'll go for something like थोड़ा सा pink mauve tones में ही because I think this will just completely make it थोड़ा सा monochrome look. And when in doubt, go for monochrome either in makeup or in fashion. I always say it. अगर आपको makeup का भी समझ नहीं आ रहा, just make it monochrome at the end of it. So this is like अभी pinky से मैंने mauve pinky से eyes करे हुए. So I'll go for this shade from Maybelline Creamy Matte. It's that touch of spice. Then I'll top it off with a gloss. This is from Nykaa, like a liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Penny और Nykaa की Molten Matte range की. So yes, this is the final makeup look. I love how it turned out. And now let's move on to the outfits I've shot for you. Hi guys, so for the first outfit I took this neon green color ka kurti, and the color of this kurti is a statement in itself. Now I paired it with gold beige color ke pants because this kurti has golden print all over it, and to match that and to complete the look I wore these really big statement gold earrings. Now otherwise the outfit is really simple, but then the earrings are taking it up a notch and put on a bindi with it, and ये है हमारा final outfit. And I think it looks really nice and something that anyone can recreate. Now moving on to the second outfit, this is definitely my favorite and something that I'll be recreating for sure. For this I took ये kurta set which is first of all in red color. Red is like the most festive color, and then I paired a gold dupatta with it. Now this one has again gold print all over it, जिसकी वजह से उसके साथ gold dupatta बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. And I completed the look with these jhumkis. I love this jhumka piece. Now I forgot to put on a bindi here, but I would say that do not complete your Indian wear or festive outfit without a bindi, because bindi her outfit को और ज़्यादा देसी बना देती है. And this is the second look. Now moving to the third outfit, I tried to keep this a little Indo-Western for people who don't want to go full on desi on the festive season. जो ये मैंने कुर्ता लिया है, I got it from Big Bazaar. Like, do you believe it? ये काफ़ी अच्छा कुर्ता है, and it can even work as a dress too. And I paired this kurta with basic black leggings, and मैंने look को complete किया with these colorful jutis and silver boho hoops. And this is the final look. Again ये look मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, something that everyone can wear and बहुत stylish लेकिन बहुत comfortable भी है at the same time. So you can wear it for the entire day and you won't feel uncomfortable at all. And this is the final look. And with this we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Now as usual, I'll try to find all the product links and details and mention them in the description bar for the makeup as well as the clothing pieces. Now if you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on this red button to subscribe and then click on the bell sign too. Also, this is my Instagram handle. You can follow me there for more BTS and everything like that, and I share more of my personal like that. And please tell me in the comment section which was your favorite outfit, how did you like this video, and if you have any video requests तो वो भी मुझे ज़रूर बताना. And also जिस announcement की बात मैं कर रही थी, that will be up in a video soon, so stay tuned for that. And yes, now don't forget I upload a new video every Monday and Thursday at 11 AM. So Monday Thursday channel पे ज़रूर आना. I would love to meet you, and I will see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye.